The Mounting Dream Ultra Slim TV mount supports a wide range of television sizes and mounting patterns, making it a flexible choice for most modern screens in different rooms of the home. Its full-motion arm allows smooth tilting, swiveling, and leveling, so you can fine-tune the picture for comfortable viewing and cut down on glare from windows or lights. The ultra-slim profile keeps the television very close to the wall for a clean, modern look, yet the arm can extend outward to provide easier access to cables and ports when needed. Despite its slim design, the bracket feels sturdy and secure, giving confidence when mounting heavier televisions within its specified weight range. The hardware kit, labeled parts, and included level make installation straightforward for most do-it-yourself users who are comfortable drilling into wood studs or masonry. Thoughtful extras like cable management ties and covers for the wall plate help the finished setup look neat and uncluttered once the television is in place.